Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the contacts application, then switch tab here, go to its settings and select import. Then select where from you want to import your contacts. I want to import them from my SIM card. Here you have all these contacts which you have on your SIM card. Here you can select which ones you want to import and which ones you don't, and then just tap import. And after that you will have all these contacts here on your device. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.